Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add emojis in your channel names in Discord. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So I will mention, sadly, it's not possible to actually copy emojis inside Discord. When you copy emojis, you're simply copying the text rather than the emoji file itself. So we're not going to be able to copy emojis inside Discord and paste them in here. You are going to have to get emojis from another location. In this case, we're going to be grabbing them from this URL. Of course, I'll leave a link to this in the description down below. And here we can choose from hundreds of different emojis in a bunch of different colors, shadings, types, etc. So you can come on here and grab any emoji you would like to add to your Discord channel. In this case, I'll just grab this random banana right here. Simply copy this by clicking Control and C on your keyboard. Then we're going to be coming to any voice channel. Now, sadly, you can't add this to text channels at the moment. If they update that in the future, I'll be sure to leave a comment down below. So you'll need to come to edit any voice channel that you have. Simply click edit channel. And then here what we can do is simply paste with Control and V, and our emoji will be pasted here. You can add a space, maybe a dash and a space again to give it a bit of definition so it looks good. Click Save Settings. Back out of here, and then your emojis will be added to your voice channels. It's really easy to do and it adds a little bit of color to your channel. It also makes it a bit more fun, so that's always a good thing. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to add emojis to your voice channels on Discord. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.